Ever wondered what makes a man truly irresistible? Sure, looks help, but the real attraction goes much deeper. There are certain things that drive women crazy, things they might not even admit. In this video, stick around till the end because number 3 is something most men overlook, but it's a total game changer. Let's get into it. 1. Eyes. They say the eyes are the window to the soul, and for women, that's 100% true. A man who can hold eye contact, not in a creepy way, but with confidence, instantly stands out. Whether it's a deep gaze across the room or the way you look at her when she talks, your eyes say everything without a single word. A quick tip? When she's telling a story, lock eyes with her, nod slightly, and let her feel like she's the only one in the room. That kind of attention, it's intoxicating. So, fellas, never underestimate the power of a strong gaze. 2. Voice. Ever noticed how some guys don't have to be the best looking, but the moment they speak, women are hooked? That's because a deep, confident voice activates primal attraction. It's why some radio hosts and narrators sound insanely attractive. A calm, slow, and steady tone can instantly make you more commanding and seductive. Try lowering your tone slightly when you talk, especially in one-on-one moments. Speak with intention, pause between sentences, and don't rush. A guy who controls his voice controls the room, and if you can make her lean in just to hear you better, you've already won. 3. Confidence. If there's one thing that turns heads instantly, it's confidence. Not arrogance, but that effortless, unshakable belief in yourself. Women are drawn to men who know who they are and don't seek approval. You don't need flashy cars or designer brands. Just walk tall, own your space, and make decisions without guessing. The key? Confidence isn't about being loud or dominant. It's about being comfortable in your own skin. If you can laugh at yourself, take risks, and handle rejection like it's no big deal, women will notice. Confidence isn't just attractive, it's addictive. 4. Strength. Let's be real. Physical strength is attractive, but it's more than just hitting the gym. It's about how you carry yourself. Can you open that stubborn jar with ease? Can you lift her up effortlessly during a playful moment? Those little displays of strength, they don't go unnoticed. But here's the secret. Emotional strength is just as powerful. Being able to handle pressure, stay calm in chaos, and support her when she's stressed, that's real strength. Women love a man who can be their rock, not just physically, but emotionally too. Show strength in all areas, and you'll become unforgettable. 5. Humor. Forget six-pack abs. If you can make her laugh, you're already ahead of 90% of guys. Humor is chemistry in action. It breaks tension, builds connection, and makes you unforgettable. But here's the trick. It's not about being a clown. The most attractive humor is effortless and confident. Tease her playfully, have witty comebacks, and don't be afraid to laugh at yourself. When a man is genuinely funny, he makes a woman feel good. And people always want to be around those who make them feel good. If you can be the guy she loves laughing with, you're winning. 6. Hands. You might not think about it, but women definitely notice a man's hands. Strong, well-kept hands suggest capability and confidence. Whether it's how you grip the steering wheel, adjust your watch, or place your hand on the small of her back, hands can be incredibly seductive. A firm but gentle touch shows control, care, and masculinity all at once. Quick tip? Take care of your hands. Keep them clean, nails trimmed, and skin soft. A rough but gentle touch at the right moment can send chills down her spine. Never underestimate the power of hands. They tell a story of their own. 7. Scent. Ever caught a whiff of someone's cologne and immediately thought of them? That's the power of scent. A man who smells clean, fresh, and subtly masculine is instantly more attractive. The right scent isn't just about cologne. It's about smelling like someone she wants to be close to. Find a signature scent that's subtle yet distinctive. Something warm, woody, or fresh. And don't overdo it. Less is more. A great smelling guy isn't just attractive. He's unforgettable. Women associate scent with memory, so make sure you're leaving an impression that lingers long after you've walked away. So there you have it. 7 things women secretly love about men. Which of these surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments.